Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Windows slowing down after a new Windows update. So you may have recently updated to the new Windows software and wondered, oh god, my PC's become so slow, why did I update? Well, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix all of that. So to begin, the first thing we're going to be doing is pressing the Windows R button, writing clean mgr as shown, clean mgr, pressing on OK. From there, just check download program files, temporary internet files, thumbnails, recycle bin, temporary files, and that should be it. Press on OK. Sorry, don't press OK. Press on clean up system files and press OK. I'll be doing this later as this can take a bit of time. Afterwards, we're going to head into our folder, File Explorer. And as you can see, we want to be on this page, this PC. We're going to right click on our local disk C, go to Properties. Then you want to go to Disk Cleanup. And as you can see, this is the same thing. So just make sure everything's here again, as it can be glitched on the back there. Once that is done, go to the hardware, and here you can see your disk drives. So make sure your device status is that this device is working properly. From there, we're going to double click on here, go to the Windows files, and what we are going to be finding is called it should be here, software distribution folder. So this is the folder of your latest Windows update. You can double click on this, press on Control A, then press Shift Delete. And what this will do is it will put all these back to the state it was before the Windows update. So there you have it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.